Hello, this is Luis from Instyle Auto. Today we are working on a Nissan Pathfinder. This is a multimedia navigation system. Comes with reverse camera, with distance lines, super wide angle. It plays SD card, DVD, USB, comes with Bluetooth. You can listen to your music, synchronize your contacts, listen to Spotify. Navigation system with the latest Australian maps. Car player ready. You get two USB inputs, external input, clock, calendar, iPod, games. It comes with a DVR option, tire pressure system option, and is fully compatible with the steering wheel controls. For sales and installations, call Luis on Instyle Auto 0404 897027. Thank you.